right, Michael here with the roof guys, and this is your rainy roof. Right here is the valley. That's where they're going to put the ice and water barrier. Currently right now all you have is that paper felt underneath there, so you can see where the water just wears away at that valley. So that's the insurance's motivation for bringing your roof up to code. This is a nail pop here. You can see where the nail's just coming up there, working its way out. A lot of spots on the roof just like that. Here's another one. And when it gets to the valley, that's when it gets really dangerous, because this is where all the water runs. It's where it's all directed to. So a lot of times you'll have a leak, it'll just be going onto your insulation, and it'll dry up because your attic's so hot. It won't make it to the ceiling, but it's shrinking all your insulation. This is the drip edge we briefly talked about. You can see here, some roofers will say, we'll replace it where there isn't gutters. So that would be at like that eave point up there on that roof. But all along your house where all these gutters are, you're not gonna get new drip edge. Now that's gonna go up almost 2 inches. I make a big deal of this because I see a lot of rotted wood, all right? So they're gonna pull the felts from underneath, and then they're only gonna run the new product up to it, wherever there's gutters. So a lot of times we'll find rotted out wood all along the sides of the roof. Now you have a good gutter system. It's a 6-inch gutter. They're just not seamless. So when we see leaks, it's generally where these screws are at these points there, right there. But we're happy to reuse your gutters. A lot of people do. This right here, this area is called a cricket. Generally it takes the longest to dry out because it's shaded. So we go above and beyond, and we put the ice and water barrier all throughout the cricket, not just the valley. We're gonna put all new ridge shingles, all new shingles throughout the roof. And then right here you have what's called ridge venting. Hottest of the air just naturally rises out of that, and we can extend that above your garage. I'm sure your garage runs really hot because you just have that piece there when they could have extended it closer to the edge of your roof. Your plumbing boots, I brought one up here just to show you what we replace them with. They come in brown, gray, or black. You can see the difference here. Ours has got a guard on it, and yours is just open. Often I'll find frogs in there eating all the bugs. Snakes, frogs, lizards, whatever makes it on the way coming up your bush there can get down the plumbing boot. That's why a lot of times you'll find palmetto bugs in your bathroom when you do find them. So we'll replace all the boots. All the goosenecks, we replace those also. And again, those are color coordinated. One of these might be the dryer vent. Yep, this one here. Not bad at all, just a little bit of lint in it. They recommend you clean those out every year, year and a half. We can clean that out for you for $89. When I do find rotted wood, often it's towards the edge because the drip edge wasn't installed properly, or it's just where all the water runs. Here's another nail that popped all the way out, just sitting on your roof there. 135 mushroom vent is at the top of your roof. That's where the hottest of the air just naturally rises out, just like the ridge vent. Here's another nail pop here. So with all these nail pops, another one right there, you more than likely have some water leaking into your attic space there. So I would not wait on the roof, insurance claim or not. You're losing a lot of granules and you got a lot of nail pops. Some more ridge venting here at the top. Another gooseneck, another gooseneck. That's a bigger one, so that one's for your range. There we go, the sun's coming out. We can see it a little bit better. Insurance company wants 25% storm damage. You're nowhere near that. You have maybe 5%. So other than a leak, which they more than likely wouldn't cover because a lot of what you're experiencing here is normal wear and tear, that is about it. But all in all, that's your roof.